I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here, and it's electrifying. On this channel we dive deep into the world of electronics repair and reviews, making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for you. From fixing your broken gadgets to reviewing the latest tech, we cover it all with a beginner-friendly approach. Imagine fixing that old smartphone yourself, or knowing which gadget is worth your hard-earned money. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. With easy-to-follow tutorials, in-depth reviews, and a splash of humor, you'll be empowered to tackle electronics like a pro. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's explore, repair, and reimagine the world of electronics together. Welcome to Electrotechnics, your go-to for electronics. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. Let's talk about roller coasters, those massive, twisting tracks that launch you through loops, drops, and turns, leaving your stomach somewhere back on the last hill. But what exactly is a roller coaster, and how do engineers actually make these wild rides happen? At its core, a roller coaster is basically a train with special cars that travel along a fixed track. But unlike your daily subway ride, roller coasters are all about controlled thrills. The experience is carefully designed to give you excitement, a rush of adrenaline, and honestly, a little bit of terror, but all in complete safety. So how are these scream machines made? First, it all starts with the design. Engineers dream up the layout, the hills, loops, corkscrews, and sharp turns, using powerful computer simulations. They have to strike a balance. The ride needs to be wild enough to thrill, but never so intense it's dangerous. Every twist and turn is mapped out to make sure forces stay within safe limits, so you get that whoa feeling without ever being at real risk. Next up, construction. Most modern roller coasters are built from either steel or wood. Steel coasters are famous for their smooth, looping tracks, while wooden coasters have that classic rickety feel and thunderous roar. Huge cranes and teams of workers piece together the track, section by section, bolting it to the sturdy supports that keep everything in place. The precision here is wild. Even a tiny misalignment could mean a bumpy ride, or worse, so everything is double and triple checked. Then, there's the cars themselves. They're designed for safety and comfort, with over-the-shoulder harnesses or lap bars to keep you securely in place, even during those wild inversions. Fun fact, most roller coasters don't actually use engines to move you along. Instead, they rely on physics. You're usually pulled up that first big hill by a chain, building up potential energy. When you crest the top and plunge down, gravity takes over, and the rest of the ride is just a series of cleverly designed hills and turns that keep you moving until you roll safely to a stop. Before any coaster opens to the public, it goes through months of testing. Engineers run empty cars, then sandbag-filled cars, watching every bump and curve. Only when everything checks out do they invite real people, usually brave staff members, to take the first ride. So next time you're strapping in, remember, roller coasters are more than just thrill rides. They're feats of engineering, carefully crafted for maximum fun and total safety. And that, in my book, makes every scream totally worth it.